Hello and welcome to this simple tutorial. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into Photoshop. Now let's go for a rectangle and draw our background shape. Now you right-click on the shape and go to Blending Options. My screen is small, let me adjust it a bit. And now you select Gradient Overlay. I know you all don't have this color, so let's go ahead and let me teach you how it's done. First, make sure your style is on Radial and go to Gradient. I know most of you are having a lot of complicated things over here. You will be having multiple color buttons like this over here, and we only need 3, so we can go ahead and eliminate them. Eliminate them by clicking and dragging down to delete, and let's maintain only 3. I will need you to get our colors right. First, click on the first color and make sure you copy this color code and click OK. The second color, also copy the color code and hit OK, and you do the same for the third color as well. Hit OK. Please make sure you arrange them in this manner and click OK and OK. Good. Now let's get our rectangle and draw another shape. Change your color to white. And now let's select our pen tool. Please first select the rectangle and right-click on the pen tool and select Add Anchor Point Tool. With your shape selected, create an anchor point on this portion of the shape, and go ahead and create another anchor points on this portion of the shape also. Now select the cursor over here and flip down to get the shape. Do the same for the other side. Good. Now let's bring in our banana image. We need to remove the black portion around it, so right-click and select Magic Eraser and erase. As you can see over here, we have gotten an error on our banana, so we need to draw that portion back. I think that's the best trick to do at this point. Select your pen tool and let's draw. Now bring it under our banana layer. Good. Now we need to combine them together. Select both layers and right-click and select Convert to Smart Objects. Hold on Alt on your keyboard and drag to duplicate our image. Now let's bring in our text. Let's create our Order Now button. You can join my membership link in description to get access to my free PSD files, to make your work more easier if you find it difficult to do it yourself. Okay.
walking away. Your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna
Now let's save our work. That was easy, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and join my membership link in description for more simple tips about Photoshop.